Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, we're setting up a smart air purifier to ensure you breathe cleaner air at home. With smart features, you can control your air purifier remotely, monitor air quality, and set schedules to keep your environment fresh and healthy. Let's get started. Unbox and power up. Unbox your smart air purifier and place it in a central location in your home. Plug it into a power outlet and turn it on. Download the app. Download the companion app for your air purifier from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your air purifier to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your phone is connected to the same network for seamless setup. Customize settings. Use the app to customize settings, such as fan speed, air quality alerts, and night mode. Set schedules. Set up schedules within the app to automate the air purifier's operation based on your routine. Monitor air quality. Keep track of your home's air quality through the app, receiving real-time updates and notifications. And that's how you set up a smart air purifier. Enjoy fresh, clean air with the convenience of smart control. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.